My name's Phil Birch and we're in Shura Beach, which is about 6k out of Merimbula in New South Wales. I love this part of the world because of the weather, the people. It's a really lovely spot to be living in. It's just a wonderful place to live. It's got a wonderful beach. We've got a beach here, 5k long, and it's crowded at Christmas time with 15 people. So that's fantastic. The climate from Narooma to Eden is one of the mildest climates in the world. So we get a fairly good, not too cold in the winter, not too hot in the summer, between 16 and 32. It's all on the far south coast. It's just beautiful. They call this a sapphire coast, in fact, because the sea is so blue. It's just beautiful. I first started thinking about solar because of the cost. Power prices were going up. The cost of money was reducing, and I thought this was a good way to invest in my roof, and I found it would give me a 10 to 15% saving on any cost I was making. I was making a profit from the roof, basically. That's what it was. Well, I think the flashpoint was when they first brought in the savings when you purchased solar, which to us was about 10 years ago, when the first savings came in, and we bought a 1 kilowatt couple of panels on the roof. That was the first time. The second time was when the prices started to really go up and we thought, this is ridiculous. So we then got the extra ones put on. Well, the system's performing amazingly well, actually. It's the system provides, well, the last 4 quarters, 3 of them have been zero. The last quarter was $140, but that's because we put on the spa, which didn't help.